Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, back up the world to avoid permanent loss, then import the Xray resource pack. You need the MacPack file on your device. Once done, open Settings, right arrow Global Resources and activate it. Make sure to add the pack to the world's Resource Packs panel and move it to Active. This is the how and why. Resource packs replace textures so ore blocks become visible. Backing up prevents mistakes when textures or game versions conflict. Proceed only after seeing the pack listed as active. Once the pack is active, configure settings for consistent results. You must place the Xray pack at the top of active packs so it overrides vanilla textures, otherwise it won't work. Lower render distance slightly to reduce lag, and set brightness high so view is clear. Walk slowly and crouch when scanning. Mark coordinates or place torches to avoid getting lost. Use a pickaxe and silk touches needed. This is how you find and extract ores quickly, while keeping the world navigable and safe. Finish by removing the pack from active when you're done and save the world. This prevents accidental use or online confusion. If ores do not appear, re-import the MacPack, confirm it matches your game version, and move it to the top of active packs. Compatibility is often the issue. Make sure to restart Minecraft after major changes. One key troubleshooting tip: restore the backup if textures corrupt or behavior changes. Backups are your safety net, so keep them current and simple to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.